Do you lot want to know how to make the best jerk seasoning at home? Well, I've run out, so let's restock together. So here I got some scallion, an onion, a big knob of ginger, 3 whole Scotch bonnet peppers, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cloves of garlic, cinnamon stick. Now these are optional, but if you're a true yardie, you'll have it. Pimento leaves, a whole load of fresh thyme. Can't make jerk without fresh pimento berries or allspice. Here's some nutmeg, whole black peppercorns, juice of a lime, followed by the juice of an orange. Now let's blend up all of these fresh ingredients. Now as this is blending, I like to add in our liquid. Here's some apple cider vinegar. Now this is going to help with preservation. Here I got some avocado oil, and lastly some browning. Now this is just going to help. Look, see that color change? Magic. This right here, the pierre de résistance. Sorry to any French people for my accent. Oh my god. And guys, don't just use this as a marinade, right? Use this as a flavor booster in whatever you're cooking. Just put a tablespoon into your food, and I'm telling you, it will take it from here to here.